Good evening, parents and guardians. I am Mr. Rodriguez, principal of Cutler Bay Middle School. On behalf of Dr. Dotras, the superintendent of Miami-Dade County Public Schools, and Mr. Villalobos, South Region Superintendent, I welcome you to Open House 2223. Tonight, you will learn more about the academic, behavior, safety, and parental expectations needed to have a successful school year. I encourage you to stay actively involved in your child's school. Ensure that all contact information is up to date and communicate with teachers and the school as needed. Attendance is very important. Your child needs to be in school to learn. We will have a great school year as long as we all work together in the best interest of all children. Thank you for coming, and I look forward to meeting you all tonight. Buenas noches, padres y tutores. Soy el señor Rodríguez, director de Cutler Bay Middle School. En el nombre de Dr. Dotres, superintendente de Miami-Dade County Public Schools, y el señor Villalobos, superintendente del Sur, les doy la bienvenida al Open House 2223. Esta noche aprenderá más sobre las expectativas, el comportamiento, la seguridad y las expectativas de los padres para tener un año escolar exitoso. Les animo que se mantengan activamente involucrados en la escuela de su hijo o hija. Asegúrese que toda la información de contacto esté actualizada y se comuniquen con los maestros y la escuela según sea necesario. La asistencia es muy importante. Su hijo o hija necesita estar en la escuela todos los días para seguir aprendiendo. Tendremos un gran año siempre y cuando trabajemos juntos en el mejor interés de todos los niños. Gracias por venir y espero a conocerlo todos. Buenas noches.
Hello, I'm 7th grade student Jillian. This year, our school's theme to represent our students and school is going to be resilience. And resilience means the ability to overcome any obstacle that you face. But don't take my word for it. Here are some of my schoolmates and teachers to tell you more about it.
How can you always be ready and prepared for school? Being ready for school means to always have your supplies on hand and with you.
What do you think makes a student eager to learn?
Well, students are curious by nature, and I believe that we're in the right place because we have the resources, the tools, the teachers to find out about all the things that we're interested in.
Hey Warriors, this is Miss Madrano. S in the word resilience stands for savor each moment. It's important to savor every moment of every day because little bundles of happiness and knowledge are found in every moment. And it's important that you know what's worth remembering.
What does intentionality mean to you? Intentionality means to me that you always have an intent to help and care for others.
In your opinion, what do you think is necessary to make a student a good learner?
Okay, so in order for a student to be a good learner, I feel that they should have a couple different attributes. But most importantly, I think they need to have a growth mindset, meaning they don't always have to understand everything, okay? But they have to give themselves that opportunity to learn it, okay? So instead of saying, I don't know something, you might say something as like, I don't know it yet, but
I is for invite authenticity or be yourself. When you are yourself, you can create a positive and a confident environment around you. Being yourself also means that you can feel confident, you can have positivity all around you, making everyone feel comfortable.
What do you think it is to have an elastic mindset?
It's like a flexible mindset, right? I think an open mindset is to be like open-minded and to adapt to new things.
AND stands for non-judgment, which means to not judge on personal standards and opinions. So try not to shut people out just because they aren't fit to your needs.
C is for committed. To be committed means that you are dedicated or loyal to something like a cause or to something that you love. For example, most kids at our school are dedicated or committed to getting good grades in their classes and being a good student at our school.
How do you think students should evaluate the unknown? Should they reset their mindset? What should they do?
Well, in my opinion, Warriors, you should always reevaluate the unknown and have a growth mindset. There's a big world out there for you to explore, experiment, and discover.